Now we can study fractions to decimals. How can we convert fractional numbers into decimal numbers? We know that we can write 1 on 10 equal to 0.1. We have studied this type of numbers, that is 0, 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, here this is 1 on 10 and this we can write 2 on 10. This may be 4 on 10. This we can write it as 9 on 10. And in the decimal form, we know that 1 on 10 is equal to 0.1. This will be 0.2. This will be 0.4. And here this number will be 0.9 and so on. Here this will be 1.0. Clear? So we can write 1 on 10 equal to 0.1. Also, here 0 and 1. This we know this is half, this is quarter, and this we can write it as 3 on 4. Okay, this we can write 2 on 4. This will be half. Okay, then here quarter, then 2 on 4, 3 on 4. Here will be 4 on 4. Okay, so we know that this is half. Then in the decimal form, we know this same division itself, same part itself, we can write in the decimal form. This will be 0.25 and this will be 0.5 and this will be, in the decimal form, this will be 0.25, 0.5, 0.75, this will be 1.0. Okay, then we know that this 0.25 is equal to 1 on 4, that is quarter. This 0.5 is equal to 2 on 4 or half. Then this 0.75 is equal to 3 upon 4 or 3 quarter. Okay, then 1 on 4. How can we write? We know that this 1 on 4 is equal to 0.25. So, how can we write this in decimal form? This we can write in 1 plus 0.25. So, this 0.25 is equal to 1 on 4. So, 1.25. This is the decimal form of 1 on 4. Okay, next number 3, 1 on 2. How can we write? We know 1 on 2 is equal to half, that we can write it as 0.5. So, this is equal to 3.5. Okay, then 3, 7 on 10. How can we write? That is equal to 3.7. We know this 7 on 10 is equal to 0.7. Okay. Then 2, 7 on 100. How can we write? This one, 7 on 100. That is dividing by 100. We have studied many days before. This is equal to 0.07. 7 on 100. 2 zeros are there. So we have to push 2 digits after the decimal. Here 7 is there. Then there is no number, so we can write the 0 there. Okay, that is, we can write 7 on 100 is equal to 0.07. So, this one will be 2.07. Okay, then 117 on 100. Here, the number is more than 100. So, here 2 zeros are there. Actually, we have to keep the 1, 2. We have to count from this side here 1 and 2. So, these two numbers we can write after the decimal numbers. Remaining all numbers we can write before the decimal number. Again 278 on 100. How can we write? Here 2 zeros are there. So after the decimal, we have to keep there 2 digits itself. We can count this side onwards. That is 8. Once onwards, we have to count back. So 1, 2. So these two numbers will be after the decimal point. Then remaining numbers will be before the decimal. Okay. Then 7,192 on 100. How can we write? 2 zeros are the decimal point. We can take last two numbers and write it here after the decimal point. Then remaining these numbers 71 we have to write before the decimal number. Okay. Then next one is 3 on 5. Here the denominator is out of 5. How can we write this one in decimal form? Oh, you are getting confusion. So here we can think about equivalent fractions. That is, here the denominator we can make it as 10. Okay. 5's table 10 is there. That is 5 times 2. So 10 is the double of 5 now. So double of 3 will be 6. Multiplying by 2, that is equal to the double of any number. If you are multiplying by 2, we will get the double of the another number. Okay. Not another number, the same numbers itself. Then we can write now this in decimal form. That is 0.6. 6 on 10 is equal to 0.6. Here we can keep the 1 0. Then if 8 3 on 5, how can we write? Here we know that 3 on 5 is equal to 0.6. This 8 we can write before the decimal point. Okay. Then 37 on 10. Only 1 0 is there. So keep there that decimal point. Only 1 0 is there. Okay. Then consider only once place digit. Then keep it there after the decimal point. Okay. Then these numbers will be before the decimal point. So 3.7. Then next 25 on 10. How can we write? 2.5. Okay. 1 0. 1 digit will be there after the decimal point. Okay. Then next 112 on 10. Here only 1 0. So after the decimal we can keep 2. Then 11 will be there. Remaining numbers we can write here. So 112 on 10 is equal to 11.2. Then 278 on 10. How can we write? 27.8. Clear, children? Can we do some works related with the fractions and decimals? You will get some fractional numbers. You have to convert that type of numbers into decimal numbers. Clear? Try to do. Thank you.